Welcome back to another video, guys. This is going to be part three of this series here. We're going stage 3 on the Audi. Today what we're going to be doing is installing the APR 155 bar fuel pressure relief valve. We're going to do it without removing the intake manifold. You ever watch a video on it? There's a lot of people who have a lot of problems trying to do it. It looks relatively accessible to me, so we're going to take the intake off and see if I can't get up under the intake manifold with an open-ended wrench and just break all this free. Like I said, it doesn't really look like it's going to be too difficult to get at, so let's get on it. So, first thing we're going to do here, we're going to remove the forge intake here. A lot of people come in through right here. To be honest, on this car, it really looks like I can get my hand all the way up in there. We'll see, maybe get a wrench in there. I do have crow's feet wrenches if we need them. Might have to take this off. We'll see what we got to take off. I'm going to try to take as little off as possible to get this out. It seriously doesn't look like a lot of the stuff that I've seen has to come off, needs to come off. So we'll kind of go by ear here and see what we need to take off to get it out. Tiniest little opening right here. Or I can come underneath here between all this wiring. The ground. For obvious reasons. Stick your fist in the hole! I see you right there. Why can't I just have like a 14,000? Wait a minute. Bolt out so I can take these down. And get this out of the way anyway. Because I don't have enough room right now. I mean, I could bend it, I guess. Maybe, possibly. Bend it. Bend it.
Bend it.
Bend it.
Send it.
Bend it. Send
Bend it. Send it.
Put the you-know-what. Oh, yeah! Audi comes with the valve. So they're exactly the same part. The major difference here is this is... What does this crack open at? I think this guy cracks open at 125 bar, somewhere around there. I think the RS3 valve is 136 bar. This one is 155 bar. So this will not release fuel pressure until it exceeds 155 bars at the rail. And anyone who tunes it can request up to that much fuel, I suppose, without it dumping. So get the new one put in. My arm is pushing up on said line. But also I want to put the red in these. Alright guys, quick update here. We did end up getting the rail valve in. If you do have the runner flap delete kit on your intake manifold, this job is actually going to be relatively easy. It's still fiddly. You still got to cram your hand up in places it's really not designed to fit. Nothing really works. Honestly, if you can do it, take the intake manifold off, because you're going to be screwing yourself trying to get that thing out of there if you don't have like all of these wrenches and random tools and stuff to get that thing out of there, because that's pretty. We used all of that to get that one valve out, and really it's a 14 millimeter and a 17 millimeter. So if that gives you any idea of what it took to get everything out. So
So now we're gonna clean up a little bit, and then we're gonna take the car on a little test drive just to make sure that everything's kosher and it's drivable. And then the next video, I'm pretty sure we're gonna slap this big old Turbski here in.
Booty boy!
And then we're gonna get this thing tuned, and it's gonna be quite quick. Quite quick indeed, isn't that right, Mikkel?
Fun fact for our viewers, we do all this work, and well, I do, in flip-flops. Let's say I have half a tank. Seems like I had a lot more than half a tank, didn't it?
You took a whole pump out of there filled with gas.
Probably
half a gallon. In the wind.
Interesting right there.
Okay.
That it kind of wanted to take off like a bat out of hell really fast.
Did you not throttle it?
I'm hardly throttling it, like, and it wanted to go.
Oh shit.
That was like not very much throttle at all compared to what we just got out of it. That's... Heck no, lights are off.
What?
Oh, that was a cop. Did the... Oh, it hit some kind of fuel cut there. I gotta let it kind of adapt a little bit, I guess.
Jesus Christ! The freaking second gear, dude. Holy shit.
It hit some kind of weird fuel cut there, though. Because I was pushing it further, but it like hit some kind of wall.
Thanks for tuning in again, guys. As always, make sure you like and subscribe. Stay tuned for the next video. Would like to add, putting the fueling in this thing seems to have made a little bit of a difference on the Stage 2 Plus tune. Just saying, take it for what it's worth. The battery's disconnected. Maybe the car's doing some relearning, but we got on her a little bit and she seemed to have a lot more power. So make sure you like and subscribe and stay tuned for the next video where we finally put the TT 420 on. So stay tuned and get ready for that, guys. Peace.